Hi there, Beth again, up here in the corner. Welcoming you to week 2. We're moving ahead with our summer. Schedule this week is exactly the same as it was last week, and we'll be continuing through the 8 weeks of forum postings on Wednesday and Friday, and a reflection essay, this time focusing on plot and summary, plot summary on Sunday. This week we're reading Shirley Jackson, The Lottery. Very, very different from The Gift of the Magi. I told you that The Magi ends with you saying, oh, this one is like, You might have read it before. Please read it again. My own story about this is I used to have a very, very good friend who is no longer with us, who was a very good friend of Shirley Jackson and her husband when they all lived in Vermont. I've never lived in Vermont, but they did. He was over at their house a lot. He tells me she had 4 children. How she managed to write that much with 4 children is amazing. I've only had 2 grandchildren too. So anyway, with these 4 children, her husband was a professor at the university there. She used to write at night after the children had gone to bed. So I think I understand why she has these normal settings and these horrifying other side of it. As those of you who are parents will probably agree with me, there are few things as terrifying as being waked up in the middle of the night by that huge head of the toddler who is like, Mommy, Daddy, I can't sleep. Their heads are so big, their eyes are so big. So see what you think. She's written a story that's very calm and very normal, and then all of a sudden, no. I'd like to know what you think. Anyway, have a good week. Let me know if you need help.